Japanese clans. Clan is a group of people united by actual or perceived kinship and descent. May identify with a symbol to show that they are an independent clan. Clans may be organized around a founding member or common ancestor that is a symbol of the clan's unity. The old clans Gozoku mentioned in the Japanese chronicles Nihon Shoki and Kozuki lost their political power before the Heian period, during which new aristocracies and families Kuge emerged in their place. After the Heian period, the warrior clans samurai gradually increased in importance and power until they came to dominate the country. There are ancient era clan names called Uji na or Honsai. Uji are Japanese kin groups of Kofun period. Each of the below are Uji, Nakatomi clan and Fujiwara clan. Uji was not only a social, economic and political unit, it also had religious significance in the 5th and 7th centuries. Japanese clans include Yamato as royal clan. Ancient clans who were prominent were Nakatomi, Inobe, Soga, Abe, Mononobe, Otomo. They had gained importance and power during the Ashoka and early Nara periods. Abe clan is the oldest ancient clan who had prominent roles to play during Sengoku and Edo period. Nakatomi clan was an influential clan in classical Japan. They, along with the Imobe clan, were one of the priestly clans known for their ritual performances in Yamato court. Fujiwara clan is descendant of Nakatomi clan. Mononobe clan were known for their military strength. Both Nakatomi and Mononobe clan were against Buddhism and only favored Shinto practices. They were rivals to Soga clan and often had conflicts with them. Soga clan was one of the most powerful aristocratic kin groups or Uji of Ashoka period and played a major role in the spread of Buddhism. Soga had much contact with foreigners including Koreans and Chinese. Otomo clan was an aristocratic kin group of Yamato period known for their military strength. After the Heian period, the warrior clan samurai gradually increased in importance and power until they came to dominate the country. Prominent samurai clans were Taira, Minamoto, Fujiwara, and Tachibana. Fujiwara clan was a powerful family of regents in Japan. They prospered since the ancient times and dominated the imperial court until the Meiji Restoration in 1868. Several cadet branches emerged out of these clans. Tachibana clan was one of the four most powerful Kuge court nobility families in Japan's Nara and early Heian periods. Minamoto and Taira was one of the honorary surnames given by the emperors of the Heian period to their children and grandchildren who were not considered eligible for the throne. Taira was victorious both in Hogen and Heiji rebellion. They gained power and importance. However, it was defeated in the Genpei War by Minamoto. Minamoto clan, also called as Genjai, they defeated and destroyed Taira during Genpei War. Minamoto received the title shogun and set up the first bakufu at Kamakura. Samurais ruled for 800 years, showed and taught honor, duty and service that remains in Japanese society till today. Samurai laid the foundations of Japan's culture. They held morals and values that still exists in Japan. Immigrant clans from China and Korean kingdoms, Silla, Baekje, Gaya and Goguryeo. Hatta clan is one of the well-known clans from China who were adept in financial matters and had spread sericulture, knowledge and practice, and are attributed to the origins of No theatre. Yamato no Kyoto clan, descended from Prince Junda, son of King Moriyong of Baekje, immigrant clan active since Kofun period. Grand aristocratic family clans. They were either Shugo, Shugodoi, Jito, daimyos, or warlords. Ashikaga clan, Chiba clan, Date, Hatakeyama, Hojo, Hosokawa, Imagawa, Kiyowara, Mori clan, Nita, Oda, Otomo, Shiba, Shimazu, Takeda, Tokugawa, Toyotomi, Osogi, and many other clans. Zaibatsu means conglomerates clans. Iwasaki family, founder of Mitsubishi, Mitsui family, founder of Mitsui, Sumitomo family, founder of Sumitomo, and Ryukyu Islands with Ryukyu dynasties. Ancient clans. Ancient noble clans. Abe clan of Hoshu, Aya clan, Hashi, Ji, Inoue, Ki clan, Kosakawa, Nakatomi, Mononobe, Ochi, Oe, Otomo, Ozosuke, Sugawara, Soga, and Takahashi. The prominent ancient clans were Nakatomi, Mononobe, Soga, Abe, and the Otomo clan. Nakatomi clan. Nakatomi clan was a Japanese aristocratic kin group. The clan claims descent from Amino Koane. It was an influential clan in classical Japan. Along with the Inbei clan, the Nakatomi were one of the two priestly clans which oversaw certain important national rites and one of many to claim descent from divine clan ancestors. Nakatomi clan known was to conduct Shinto rites and hold associated positions. Though their material holdings were not the most extensive, their spiritual and ritual importance placed the Nakatomi and Imube second only to the imperial house during their heyday. Important ritual which the head of the Nakatomi clan oversaw was a Harai purification rite performed twice every year, in which the high priest of the Nakatomi clan asked the kami to cleanse the spirits of all of the people of their impurities. Nakatomi were among the chief advocates of conservatism in the controversy over the introduction of Buddhism to Japan in the 6th century. Prince Nakano Oe, the Nakatomi had to eliminate the Soga clan, powerful and very active supporters of Buddhism. The incident is known as Ishii incident. Clan was opposed by a number of other clans which vied for power and prestige at court. Still, the head of the Nakatomi clan was the most powerful man in Japan. Head of Nakatomi clan had important ritual position in 7th and even 8th century, becoming hereditary heads of the Jungi-kan Department of Rites established by the Code of Taiho in 701. Nakatomi family tree. Fujiwara no Kamatari was one of the most prominent Nakatomi clan member. First branch of Nakatomi clan was Fujiwara clan. The most well-known Nakatomi clan leader Nakatomi no Kamatari was granted the name Fujiwara by Emperor Tenjai as a reward for loyal service to the sovereign. Kamatari is honored as the founder of the Fujiwara clan, which accumulated extraordinary powers and prestige in the Heian period. Soga clan. Soga clan, it was one of the most powerful aristocratic kin groups of Ashoka period of early Japanese state Zomato polity and played a major role in the spread of Buddhism. Through 5th and 7th centuries, the Soga monopolized Kabane or hereditary rank of Great Omi and was first of many families to dominate imperial house of Japan by influencing order of succession and the government policy. Soga clan was believed to be founded by Soga no Ishikawa, a great-grandson of Emperor Kogan. Soga no Iname served as great minister. He was first of the Soga clan to carry to extreme lengths domination of throne by nobility. He married 2 of his daughters to Emperor Kinmi, one giving birth to Emperor Yomai. Next 5 emperors all had a wife or mother who was a descendant of Inami. Soga unified and strengthened country by expanding power of emperor. Soga clan had much contact with foreigners including Koreans and Chinese. They favored adoption of Buddhism and of governmental and cultural models based on Chinese Confucianism. They supported spread of Buddhism. It was first introduced in Japan during 6th century by monks from Baekje. It was opposed by rival Mononobe and Nakatomi clan. Soga clan continued to actively promote it, placing a holy image of Buddha in a major Shinto shrine. After 50 years of ideological war, Buddhism, defended and protected by Soga, began to take hold in Japan. By 644, heads of Soga were no longer satisfied to act behind scenes. Soga no Amishi and his son Soga no Hiroka began to build elaborate palaces and tombs for themselves. Nakatomi no Kamatari, known as Fujiwara no Kamatari, conspired with Soga no Kurayamada no Ishikawa no Maru and Prince Naka no Oe, later known as Emperor Tenjai, and arranged for Iruka's assassination in front of the Empress Kogyoko. Soga no Amishi committed suicide. Empress abdicated and her brother took throne as Emperor Kotoku. Soga clan's hold over imperial family was broken. Emperor enacted Taika reform, returning full power to emperor. Disruptive and transformative event is known as the Ishii incident. Soga no Kurayamada no Ishikawa no Maru was member of Soga clan and first holder of the office of Udajin, Minister of the Right. His daughter was married to Prince Naka no Oe. After fall of Soga no Iruka, he was most senior member of family. As chronicled in Nihon Shoki, he was accused of treason and strangled himself at Samada Dera in 649. His wife and children also committed suicide. Relatives were captured and executed. His death brought political ascendancy of Soga clan to an end. Mononobe clan. Mononobe clan, a Japanese aristocratic in-group of Kofun period known for its military opposition to Soga clan. They opposed to spread of Buddhism, claiming that local deities would be offended by worshipping of foreign deities. Nakatomi allied with Mononobe in opposition to Buddhism. Mononobe were said to have been descended from Nigi Hayai no Mikoto, a legendary figure who is said to have ruled Yamato before conquest of Emperor Zenno. His descendant Mononobe no Tochine, known as founder of clan, was given Isonokawa shrine by daughter of Emperor Suinen. He then began using name Mononobe. In 686, Mononobe reformed as Isonokami clan, named thus due to their close ties with Isonokami shrine, Shinto shrine, which doubled as an imperial armory. Clan seems to appear in any significant way in the historical record were statesmen. The clan as a whole was known as Corporation of Arms or Armorers. In the 6th century, a number of violent clashes erupted between Mononobe and Soga clan. According to Nihon Shoki, one important conflict occurred after Emperor Yomai died. After a very short Mononobe no Moraiya supported one prince to succeed Yomai, while Soga no Omaku chose another. Conflict came to a head in a battle at Kisori, present-day Osaka, in 587, where Mononobe clan were defeated and crushed at the Battle of Shigisan. Following Moraiya's death, Buddhism saw a further spread in Japan. Abe clan. Abe clan was one of the oldest of major Japanese clans, and clan retained its prominence during Sengoku period and the Edo period. Clan's origin is said to be one of original clans of Yamato people. They truly gained prominence during Heian period and experienced a resurgence in the 18th century. Abe is also a very common Japanese surname in modern times. According to Nihon Shoki, Abe were descended from Prince Ohiko, son of Emperor Kogane. They originated in Ito province, today Mai prefecture. A number of families originally from this region and bearing Abe name also claim descent from a legendary figure, Abe. Abe is said to have opposed Emperor Jimmu, first legendary emperor of Japan, in his plans to conquer the Yamato plain. Various Abe families thus settled in the far north of Honshu. Northern region, which would come to be known as provinces of Mutsu and Dewa, was conquered by Japanese sometime in 9th century and native Amishi people. They were subjugated or displaced. Many provinces at this time were overseen primarily by a governor. Mutsu saw to rise of independent families called Gozuku, which administered local affairs. Abe were appointed to control local people, who by now were a mix of Japanese immigrants, former Amishi tribesmen, and behalf of central government. There were many conflicts between Abe general and governor over administrative control of province. In 1050, general overseeing Ayano was Abe no Zoru-Toki, who levied taxes and confiscated property on his own, disregarding wishes of province's governor. As a result, Minamoto no Zorizoshi was appointed with governor and commander-in-chief Chinzufu shogun. Controlling natives, he was sent with his son Zoshi, 15 years old, to stop Abe. Genkunen War was a struggle for power within the samurai clans. The fighting lasted for 12 years or 9 years. Few major battles were fought until the Battle of Kawasaki in 1057. Abe no Zoritoki had been killed shortly, and Minamoto were now fighting his son, Abe no Sadato, who defeated them at Kawasaki. Minamoto, with the aid of Kiyowara clan of nearby Dewa province, led an assault on Abe fortress and set the fortress aflame. After 2 days of fighting, Abe Sadato surrendered. This war broke the power of the Abe family. Prominent members of the Abe clan. Abe no Hirafu, also known as Abe no Omi, one of the leading generals in the subjugation of the Ayano. Abe no Zoritoki, Chinzufu shogun during the Zenkunen War. Abe no Sadato, son of Abe no Zoritoki, and Abe Masa Sugu fought at Sekigahara, became a Fudai Dumayo under the Tokugawa. Abe Tadaki, first Abe clan member of the Ruju, advisor to Tokugawa shogun. Abe Masahiro, among the last of Ruju, signed Treaty of Kanagawa, and Abe Shunzu, LDP president twice from 2006 to 2007 and subsequently from 2012 to 2020. Abe no Shimae was an onomyoji. Onomyoji is the advisor to emperor on spiritually correct way to deal with issues. A leading specialist of onmyodo during middle of Heian period in Japan, a legendary figure in Japanese folklore, and has been portrayed in a number of stories and films. Otomo clan. Otomo clan was an aristocratic kin group of the Yamato period. Otomo were known for their military strength and, along with other militarily valuable clans like the Higuri and Mononobe, supplanted formerly dominant Katsuragi clan as the most powerful clan at the Yamato court. During the 5th century, famous for Otomo no Zakamuchi was a Japanese statesman and waka poet in Nara period. He is a member of 36 poetry immortals Sanjuro Kase. Otomo clan lost imperial favor in 540 when Emperor Kinmi sided against advisor Otomo no Kanamura that a military expedition be sent against Korean kingdom of Silla and stripped Kanamura of title of Omoraji. Otomo clan lost Kinmi's favor as they had led clans supporting succession of Emperor Ankan and Senka to Emperor Kitai, while Soga clan supported Kinmi's claim. Soga no Inami became most influential minister at Kinmi's court following Kanamura's removal in 540. Imperial clan. Imperial clan descended from Amaterasu. Its emperors and other clan members have no clan name but had been called the royal clan if necessary. Imperial House of Japan referred as Imperial Family or Yamato Dynasty. Jimmu was the first legendary emperor of Japan according to the Nihon Shoki and Koziki. His accession is traditionally dated as 660 BC in Japanese mythology. He was a descendant of the sun goddess Amaterasu. Japanese monarchy is said to be the oldest continuous hereditary monarchy in the world. The imperial house recognizes 126 monarchs, beginning with the legendary Emperor Jimmu, traditionally dated to 11th February 660 BC and continuing up to the current Emperor Naruhito.